Hey, what's going on? So I've rigged this piece of cardboard tubing to the piece of bamboo. I've got a sling line tied to it. Hopefully we'll be able to spread the force out and not snap the stick in half. And I put some surveyor's ribbon on it so it'll be a little bit easier to find. We're just using some of this string from for like making pouring slabs and stuff. Surveyor's ribbon. We're using a double loop. We're using two because I think a single. We're not going to throw it very hard this first time at least, and I didn't want to break in or stretching too bad, so double loop. And the GoPro fits right in there. Boom. It'll go in there, squeeze in there, and then I'll put some I have some of that real strong packing tape. I'll kind of tape it in there to keep it from flying out when under acceleration. So I'm gonna use Texas Twister, the new frame, new arm, and the new hanger. I made that for Cyberchunk, like 100-to-1 weight ratio, and I think it's a 5-to-1 beam ratio airfoil. Really thin and shaped. So I don't have the winch line on it, so I'm only gonna put like 40 pounds or something on it, so I can Hancock that. I don't have a sights or anything on it. We'll just go old school and send it. Might make one test throw just to make sure I'm aiming where I think I am, and that's what's up. Alright, I ended up putting one more plate in there, 5-pounder. That's 4 10-pounders, a 5-pounder, and then a solid bar. It's, probably 3 pounds or something. I don't remember exactly what it was, maybe 5. Because I wanted to get the hangers as far apart as possible. I'm going to have to trim up our flights a little bit. I've added these streamers for a couple of reasons: to increase the drag for stabilizing, and primarily to see it. But knowing that I have to cut the flights back, I'm gonna need some more drag back there. So the GoPro's in there. That should work out. That should work out fine. I'm not gonna test though or anything. I'm just gonna send it. I might make a pin adjustment. The settings on the machine were what we ran, the 1-pounder at Cyberchunk, throwing the 1-pound balls, and at 100-to-1 mass ratio. I'll think about it here for a second and figure out if there's anything I want to change. But we're about to go out there. Go out to the range. Alright, here's the setup. I did trim the flights. My original dart concept had twin shafts. I'm just going with a single shaft, and I've got it on the side of the arm there, which kind of puts it in there a little crooked, but it'll pull. It's going to pull through. I mean, there's nothing going to stop it from pulling through. I promise you that. These they potentially could also hang up a little bit, catch on something. We've got this hanger block that this could, hang up and kick something weird. It's going to be pulling really hard. It's not going to come off the pin. I didn't do anything with the pin. I probably should have pulled it back a little bit. We have some pretty strong winds. Can you see the flag? Coming from our right, directly across. So I'm aiming it really at that first pole there. Let's see if we can line you up. All right, see, I'm just sighting down the edge of the board right here. And I do that on both sides because I don't have the scope on this one right now. So you can see where I'm aiming, just to the left of that first pole. That's 400 feet. We're probably not going to be that high of a launch angle. So we'll be just past that pole, between the two poles, I think. I don't want it to go really high because then we'll probably end up in the road. And I think my little shroud and everything is pretty strong. Hopefully it won't get destroyed, because I really can't. I don't want to buy a new one. I'm gonna set y'all back here, or directly to the side, set up. All right, this should be interesting. I hope it works. I want to get the shot. I really do. I have to turn the GoPro on. All right, we're in there. All right, here we go. Oh, I hope this works, man. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Oh, in the road. Here we go. Oh, I hope this works, man. Okay. 3, 2, 1. It hit stick first. And we are still running. The screen is not cracked. Hello. Alright, let's turn it off.